in the context of offences where, between 16 to 18 years, the question is whether the case should be tried by a JJB or it should be tried by a criminal court of original jurisdiction. One of the biggest things that the court takes into consideration is that the charge that is being created, whether that is a very correct charge or not. You will be understanding that under Indian system of separation of powers, the police is not required to communicate with the prosecution relating to the charge. So whatever is the prima facie case according to the police যেটা ভালো বুঝছে, based on that only the charge is being created. এমনও হতে পারে in this particular fact situation where the child has shown a knife to extract money, it could have been a direct case related to extortion. Police has gone one step ahead and took it to the level of a charge in the context of attempt to murder. Attempt to murder is a much more serious offense. এটাকে heinous দেখানো হয়েছে বলে it has been brought before a criminal court of original jurisdiction. I think it is generally very harsh, and if each and any so-called case in random is taken to a criminal court of original jurisdiction, creating a juvenile justice act altogether, that entire objective of India signing, being signatory to the UN Convention on Child Rights, that becomes a question. So the answer to this is, if a child is already, his parents have been killed in a riot, a child is working in a matchbox factory for 5-6 years, these are the mitigating factors which should be taken into consideration, and a probation officer gives a report out of this if the case at all is being tried in a juvenile justice. Thank you.